How to adjust subtitle speed to sync in VLC Media Player. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you adjust subtitle speed to sync in VLC Media Player. To do it so, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to try opening or launching the application. Then, once you have the particular video where you have a sync or where you have any issue, click on Tools in the top right corner. Then you want to go to Track Synchronization from a drop-down menu. You could see a pop-up menu right over here. So you want to go ahead and click on Audio Track Synchronization. You want to go ahead and increase the speed. Make sure it's delete. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and decrease or increase it. So likewise, you have subtitle track. You simply want to do this out. Now what you could do is here, you could also add a plus and a minus. And if you add a plus, this is going to increase or this is going to speed up. And if you add a minus, it's going to delete. So once you've done it, so click on the close button and see if that fixes your issue or not. Similarly, if you are having issue, what next you could do is go to the tools once again. And next you could do is go to track synchronization, and then you could use G and then the H key. So here what you have to do is, in order to use the keyboard, you could just press the G to add delay and making the subtitle lag behind, and press H to hold or decrease the delay. That is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.